Target sighted! Killerbot, go and take him! I've always wanted a Constructix in the family. I think he'll be your finest form yet. Riveting. You're growing up very nicely indeed. Now what to absorb next? There's the new Tyrannix model. I heard it has 3,255 channels. Huh. That's more than twice what I have now. Killerbot, get me that TV!
Uh-oh.
Please let it come with a remote control. Woohoo! Now let's see if they have that new all-robot bowling channel. Wait! Stop! Go and turn it back.
If Dino Demolition gets past the Pizza Boys, they will face the Bodies, who have already skated their way into the finals of the Tri-Bowl Tournament.
What? The Bodies in the finals? That simply cannot be! Well, we need to spoil this party, Killerbot. Every Tri-Ball game I ever played in, I was picked last. Dead last. Now it's time for you and me to get our names on a championship trophy. Killerbot, let's go and play some ball.
Play ball.
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day.
Robots for everyone.
Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end.
Robots for everyone.
They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
The
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide. Gotta fight all day and night. Yeah. 'Cause you got the robot who sets everything right. Cubix. Powers beyond compare. Cubix. Evil forces better beware. Cubix. If there's trouble, we will always be there.
Robots for everyone.
Cubix.
Let's hear it for the Bodies, who eagerly await the winner of this fiercely contested match between Dino Demolition and the Pizza Boys. Piping hot topping brings the yellow down court. He passes to Pepperoni. Oh, it's stolen by Raptor, who sends it to T-Rex. Now Spike has the blue, and he sends it to T-Rex. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a red, yellow, and blue tri-ball combination. And now T-Rex takes it towards the Pizza Boys' goal. He shoots. And... scores! Dino Demolition goes up 1-0 over the Pizza Boys. Just before the 15-minute recharging break.
Preferable to play Pizza Boys. Odds of victory greater.
You bet! And we might even get some free pies!
I think we could take either team. What about you, Cubix?
Yes, I agree.
One more half and we're in the finals.
Juice up, everyone. I'm running low. I could use a jolt. And you shall get one.
These will transmit directly to their EPUs. Killerbot, now whatever you command, they will do.
Let's go kick some can.
It started as a field of 8. In the first round, Dino Demolition came out charged up, and soon it was lights out for the Electrics. Meanwhile, the long-shot Bodies flushed the Suix squad, and then cleaned house against the Scrubs. This Cinderella squad will face the winner of tonight's match in a championship showdown. And here they come, recharged and ready Boys. Over 2,000 toppings delivered right to your door. Versus Dino Demolition. If you can build it, these dinosaurs can knock it down. Let's play ball! Anchovy has the red puck. He passes and... Oh, a cross check from Triceratops!
Mamma mia.
He gets the red to T-Rex, who dribbles down court. Ow, a hip check on deep dish. And Raptor swings an elbow into Krusty.
Oh, that's gotta hurt. It should be a foul.
Yeah, you're right. These guys are totally playing dirty.
Raptor sends the blue puck skyward. It's followed by the red. And now yellow's in play too. We've got a floating tri-ball combination directly above center court. It looks like T-Rex will take the shot. He winds back. And scores! It's 2-0, Dino Demolition. And by the looks of the Pizza Boys, they've been demolished. Will the bodies fare any better? I wouldn't want to be in their chassis right now.
Bring on the bodies! Bring on the bodies, yeah!
So we played the dinos in 2 days, yeah?
I don't want to play the dinos. That kind of rough play shouldn't even be allowed.
Well, you know, there aren't a lot of rules when it comes to robot sports.
Odds of victory now 5%.
Huh?
Aw, come on. Our odds have to be better than that.
5%? There's no point in playing.
Don't forget, first prize is a complete state-of-the-art robot upgrade.
I could double my cerebral processing power.
I could get those self-flapping turbo wings.
I think we should forfeit. Hey, yo, did I hear someone say forfeit?
We don't think we can win.
There's always a way to win. Take it from me.
Did you see those dinosaurs? Wow, they're pretty brutal.
Whatever you do, don't give up. That's my advice.
Everybody's an expert.
You know what we need is an awesomely great player like Grixky.
Who's that?
The greatest tri-ball player of all time. Cerebrix, show him.
The great Grixky won 5 straight tri-ball championships, led the league in scoring and assists, disappeared 3 years ago, best known for his signature thunder shot.
Wow, he's incredible.
Sure was.
Maybe our robots could learn some of that stuff.
That's right. We could show him game tapes.
Yeah, and I bet Cubix could learn the thunder shot.
Sure.
And Maximix could too.
Now you're talking.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
We really could have a chance to win, after all.
Send me the path. Gross miscalculation.
He's gotta stop thinking and start doing.
He is a Cerebrix model.
Let me try the thunder shot.
Okay.
Hey,
Too afraid of the puck.
That one's cooking.
Maximix has power.
Yeah, but he's a little short on finesse.
Hey, you guys don't play like a team. You gotta know each other's moves. You gotta trust each other.
More advice from the trash guy.
You know, we made it this far playing our way.
Hey, nobody listens anymore.
I don't know why that guy thinks he knows the game.
Cubix has the tri-ball combination. He winds back, swings, and...
Swoops in the yellow and blue.
Uh-huh.
Steals the red. Bounces off for the wall. Gets his own pass, winds back and shoots. Goal!
Grixky steals the red puck. Oh, wow, what a play. Now he's got a tri-ball combination.
He bounced it off the wall. Oh,
He gets his own pass, winds up, shoots, goal!
Gets his own pass, winds back and shoots. Goal!
There you are.
Hey, Abby, what's the big emergency?
I just heard T-Rex on K-Goal.
The radio show?
He said they're gonna hit our robots so hard, they'll need new EPUs.
What? Oh,
Ooh, I wonder where I should put my new trophy. Maybe under my pillow.
Welcome to the Bubbletown Chamber of Commerce Tri-Ball Championship game, where it's Dino Demolition versus the Bodies.
Okay, listen up. I want to see a clean game. No high sticking and no direct hits on the EPU. Now, play ball!
The 3 pucks are in play. Will the underdog bodies be able to compete against the stronger, faster, more experienced dinos?
Get ready to be demolished!
Go demolish yourself.
Cubix skates past Pronto and gets the puck to Cubix who goes skyward. Oh, now Cubix really goes skyward.
That's a foul!
Now Raptor fires. It's a direct hit to Don Don's EPU.
Don Don!
What's 2 plus 2?
I know, it is 5.
No, it's not. It's 6.
5.
Okay, 5.
Cerebrix and Don Don are disqualified. To avoid a forfeit, you must field substitutes at this time.
But there are none. But then again, maybe there are.
This stupid thing won't fit around me. Why do they make them so small?
Hold it, hold it!
Huh?
Don't you know the rules? You both can't go in there! According to Article 1019, subparagraph 825, if no robot is available, 1 human may play, but under no circumstances may 2 humans play.
This is really bad.
Any ideas?
We need another robot.
Your timeout is over in 10 seconds.
Yo, I'll play.
The janitor?
Now we've really sunk to a whole new low.
Well, it's gotta be better than forfeiting, right?
Players, take your starting positions.
And the newly configured bodies with the human Connor and the stadium janitor take to the rink. T-Rex has the yellow. Oh, and the janitor steals it. What a surprise play. Now he takes the red puck. And then the blue. There's a tri-ball combination.
Alley-oop.
The janitor shoots. Scores! What an amazing goal!
Yo.
And the bodies go up 1-0.
Hey, buddy. That was awesome.
Hey, yo, not too shabby, huh?
If I wasn't awake, I'd think I was dreaming. Oh my! Could that really be him?
There's another tri-ball combination! And the janitor shoots! And scores! 2-0 bodies!
Well, with that shot, it has to be him. And if my memory serves me, he's got an EPU that's running on half a circuit. 1 good hit and he'll be ready for the trash heap. Killabot, take that tin can out.
Dr. K says your history, Tin Can.
Huh? Dr. K? Yeah! Ancient history! One more hit will finish him off.
Hey, you! Get off him! Cubix!
I gotcha! Hey, get back here!
There's an injury timeout on the floor as the bodies lead 2-0.
How does it look?
Not too good.
Well, he's not gonna play.
And they aren't either.
They're still out of phase. Get me the puck! I'm open.
It's okay. Relax.
Don't even try to get up.
Yo.
They are all out of commission.
There's no choice then. We'll just have to go with 4.
And the pucks are in play. One has to admire the courage of the Underman bodies, who with just 3 robots and a human face the fearsome Dino Demolition.
I had become a famous athlete.
Oh, that's why Dr. K wanted your EPU, huh?
Yeah, he took some of my EPU and most of my parts and gave them to his own robots to make them faster and stronger. Oh man, can you believe it? Then he dumped me on a junk pile. I haven't picked up a tri-ball stick since
The
then.
human Connor is hit hard. Now he's back up and guarding T-Rex. Oh, he takes another hit that sends him to the floor.
Connor!
Come on, blokes. We have the power of positive thinking on our side.
Cannon is down, and so is Maximix. These dinos are wiping the floor with bodies. Oh, we have a tribal combination. Spike shoots and scores. And now it's 2-1.
Watch it, Turkey!
Hey!
The pucks are back in play, and the bodies are literally flying. Another tribal combination. Bronto sends it upstairs to Raptor, who shoots and scores, and it's tied up 2-2.
We are really getting our clocks cleaned.
It looks like there's no way the bodies can come back from the pounding they've taken. The outcome of this game seems all but determined. And Dino Demolition is all but assured of winning the championship. There's another tribal combination, and with no one guarding the body's net, this shot is just pure formality.
This one's for Dr. K.
T-Rex winds back, he shoots, and he scuffed! No! No, Cubix has stopped it! Somehow Cubix has stopped it! What an incredible play! The crowd is cheering, and one by one, the bodies are getting to their feet!
Nice play, Cubix.
Cubix has the tribal combination! And the dinos are coming at him from all directions!
Cubix, work the ball around. Let's run the group play.
You got it.
Ooh, good pass, bloke. Heads up, Maxie.
Yeah, I'm all over it. I think this is what you call finesse.
Okay.
Give me that ball.
Whoa! How'd you do that?
Hands off.
Thank you.
You got it. Now let's get a goal.
All right.
Crush. Destroy. Hold on. Is that Colossal? Not just Colossal, but many others, including some of you, Cubix. And now it's time for me to take the rest of you.
Yo, Cubix! Let's go win, alright, guys?
Yeah, you got it.
He's back! Go get him, you guys!
Now where did that donut guy go? Huh? Huh?
The janitor takes the tri-ball down court. He passes off to Cubix, who heads towards the dino's goal. Oh, it looks like T-Rex wants to do a little jawing with Cubix. But Cubix flips the tri-ball back to the janitor, who is nearing the goal. Wait, what's this? He sent the ball skyward. And now he bounces it off the wall, gets his own pass, winds back, and shoots!
It's the Thunder Shot.
It's Grixky.
Goal!
I still got it.
You won the game, Cubix. But you're weak, and I'll destroy you. Huh? What's going on? Where am I?
I think T-Rex was controlling us.
That was an imposter who was pretending to be me. This little guy found me down in the locker room. Is that really Grixky? Is he going to be okay?
Huh? What happened? Where am I?
The bodies pit. We fixed your EPU.
Yeah, now it should be as strong as ever.
Huh?
Oh, I guess you didn't know. First prize was a robot upgrade, and we all voted that it should go to you.
Wow, I feel strong, like I used to, years ago.
You can do anything you want. You can play Tri-Ball again, Grixky, and thrill everyone with that amazing thunder shot of yours.
Give it a whirl. Try it out.
Okay. Yo, teamwork, alright? Passing. Now do what I do. Alright, ready? Just like this. Whack!
What is it, Connor?
It's that robot. We never faced anything like it before. And it said it's coming back.